In this video, I will show you how to scan a QR code in Google Lens. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your device and then click on this Google app at the top of your screen. So in here, you'll be able to search directly on Google. So click on this camera icon at the right side, and then this will allow you to access Google Lens. So in here, go ahead and use the search lens, then face your camera in front of the QR code that you want to scan, and then you can simply click on the link that will pop up at the top of the QR code to immediately access the link embedded on the QR code. And that's basically how you can scan QR code on Google Lens.